Hi! In front of me is Vivo X80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Settings and tap on Security section. Now you need to choose Screen Lock and tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or complex password. I will go with pattern. Now you need to enter it, choose Next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on Confirm. Finally, click on one of those options to answer the question, how do you want the lock screen to display? Your notifications. Show all notifications content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with the last one, don't show notifications at all, and click on Done at the bottom right corner. Now when I go back, turn off my screen and turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!